Hi boys and girls, how are you everyone? I hope that you are all doing good so far. Okay, grade 2. Today we are going to move to a new chapter, which is chapter 12, and we will start with lesson number 1. What is the sun? So today we are going to talk about the sun. Are you ready, grade 2? Then please open your box on page 367, and here we go. Okay, first we need to talk about the stars. So stars are made of heat, glowing gases, and I need you to know that the sun is star. So the sun is star, and the sun is made of heat and glowing gases, because we said here that the stars are made of heat and glowing gases. Then the sun is made of heat and glowing gases because the sun is star. Okay, the sun seems brighter, larger than the other stars. Do you see the sun here? It is much brighter, much larger than other stars. Do you see the other stars here? So the sun here is much brighter, is much larger than other stars here. Also, the sun is closest star to Earth. I need you to look here. Here's the Earth. Here is the sun. So the sun is the closest star to the Earth. The sun is bright that you cannot see other stars during the day. So during the day, if you look to the sun, you cannot find any stars next to the sun. Why? Because the sun is so bright. Okay? So during the day, you cannot find any other stars, only you will find the sun. Why we need the sun? Okay, this is on page 368. So the sun is really big. The sun is much bigger than Earth. The sun looks small because it is so far. So the sun is actually not small, but it looks small. Why? Because it is so far from the Earth. And it says here that the sun is much bigger than Earth. Do you see here the Earth is so small next to the sun? Okay. Again, here is the Earth and here is the sun. Do you see the sun, how it is so big, while the Earth here is so small? This is what the sun looks like. Okay, grade 2, please open your books on page 369. The sun is important to Earth. So Earth gets light and heat from the sun. Living things on Earth need light and heat. Okay, grade 2, we said that the sun is so important to the Earth. I need you now to give me examples of living things that need sunlight. I will just give you a few seconds to think of living things that need sunlight. Okay, grade 2. Here you can start to think. doing great job. Let's see them. So people need sunlight. Great job, as well as plants and animals too. Right? Okay, grade 2 then. We will move to the workbook now. Please open your workbook, page 140. As usual, we will start with true and false. Are you ready? Then let's start with number 1. In number 1, it says that the sun is Earth's closest star. What do you think? Okay, it's true. So the sun is the closest star to the Earth. Number 2, the sun is smaller than the Earth. What do you think? Of course, it's not true. The sun is much bigger than the Earth. Number 3, without the sun, nothing could live. This one is true. Okay, so without the sun, nothing could live. Now, please open on page 140A, and we will start to complete the sentences. We will start with number 1. A is made of hot glowing gases. Okay, a star is made of hot glowing gases. Great job, grade 2. Number 2, the is closest star to Earth. The sun is closest star to Earth. Number 3, the sun looks small but is very big. Of course, the sun looks small but it is very big. Number 4, the sun is important to Earth. So the sun is important to Earth. Okay, grade 2, thank you for listening.